So here we have some new earplugs that I've been trying out. I love this pack because you get all 4 sizes in one little pack. So it comes with an extra small, and it's actually written right on the earbuds. So at first when I opened it up, I wasn't sure, but then I looked a little closely, and let's see if I can show you this, but yep, there you go. You can see extra small, and then it also says right or left side, so that's the right. You get a small and a medium, and then you get a large as well. So this one's the large. So you can actually, let me zoom back in here. They just slip right in your ears, and I can bring this whole pack while traveling because I'll have a size for everyone on the plane with me if they want to, get some shut-eye or rest or anything like that. And they just slip right in. They are silicone. And then I just use this little part here to slide in or to pull out. You can also sleep with these, and I have a lot of ear sensitivities, and a lot of times I get irritated with things in my ear, but I have not gotten irritated with these in my ear, and I have tried sleeping with these as well. Another thing to note is these don't disconnect. So some of the other earbuds out there, you can actually pull them off and they disconnect, which ends up trapping bacteria and germs usually in them. This doesn't do that. So for washing, if you want to wash these, you can do that. But everything is all in one, like just together as one. And if you see here, here is the tip. And then here's the shape of them there. And they went just right in. You can hold this little part here, and then you just put them right in, and they slide in. Sometimes I give them a little turn there, and there you have it. And they're good for a couple hours, an hour, whatever you might need it for. If you're going to maybe a concert, or if it's loud, I know like monster trucks and stuff like that, when you bring your kids to, is very, very loud. So you just pop these in for your kiddos, and it will help reduce that noise greatly. So thanks for the company for sending me these to review.